The first question today, saying Nityanandam Lord Kalabhairava, it appears that anyone responsible for somebody else's untimely death is treated as a murderer. In that context, please comment on the following three cases. 1. People who eat meat. 2. Animals.
Stop. Other than Kalabhairava, nobody has a right to take any life. People who eat the meat or kill to supply the meat, both are treated as murderers from the cosmic law. Lives which can feel the pain to the frequency of the human life are all considered to be equivalent to human life. So anybody kills even those lives will be considered as murderers. Agricultural products can be consumed as plants, trees do not have the life frequency and the pain impact of human frequency. They do have pain, they do have life, but not in the frequency level of human beings. Their pain is much low and highly negligible, as they do not have the individual consciousness also to reciprocate and respond to the pain. It can't even be called or considered as pain. So, eating meat or killing an animal for meat is directly treated as murder in cosmic law.
Also, animals who eat both meat and vegetarian food or only meat.
Again, the same law applies. Animals who eat meat will be treated for murder. Animals who eat only vegetarian food will not incur the karma of murder. Animals which eats only vegetarian food will easily get higher births, higher level of conscious bodies. They are in the cycle of raising themselves.
Lastly, those who offer animal sacrifice to deities for certain religious rituals.
Other than Kalabhairava and Mahakali, no deity has a right to receive animal or any life in the form of sacrifice. Only Mahakali and Mahakala, the Lord of Time, has a right to receive any sacrifice from animal to human.